Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Today's project is a card. It is my October 2023 VIP Club card kit. So for those customers of mine who have signed up to be VIP customers, this is what you'll get from me. VIP Club is something that Close to My Heart offers as a special for people. You can go to barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com and click on the VIP tab to find out more if you are interested in learning about that. So the card is using a couple different things. I am bringing in this little piece here is a leftover from another card, and I used this little pie ring that was from the Happy Turkey Day from last year. So I loved this Stampin' Thin Cut set and I'm going to use it. And this is one of the little pieces that came out of that. You can see here this ring. This comes from the Cozy Up Cardmaking Workshop. Again, sold out. But I'm showing you that I'm using things that are sold out. You can find similar things to use. I really like to use things that you can get, but I also like to use things that I've purchased because it's good for all of us to remember to go looking through our stuff and to dig out those treasures that we just fell in love with so that we keep using them. The sentiment also came off of that same Cozy Up stamp set. You can see here your kit comes with an envelope, a card base, a piece of Harbor cardstock that is 4 by 5 1/4, and a piece of White Daisy cardstock that is 3 3/4 by 5. And you can see, I'm going to hold it up, you can see the beautiful embossing that is on there. They are poinsettias, but I don't think it really matters. This is the embossing folder. This is new in the newest catalog, the 2-month catalog, so the September, October, I believe. It is called Christmas Florals. It is beautiful. It also comes with a set of, you can get a set of 3 stencils to help in coloring by doing ink blending on it. We're just using the embossing folder today. I also have some Harbor glitter paper. I did use some Stampin' Up punches. This was 1 3/4 inch, and then I used a 1 3/8 inch, and then of course this little pie piece. And then a couple of leaves. And that came from, I'll drag it over here. No, not that one. Good golly. Here we go. From this thin cut, this is called Sprigs and Leaves. And I had cut out a whole bunch of these to use for another project and had all of those leaves left over. So I'm using them up. I have some Harbor ink, and then there's a little white dot, and this was actually the 1 3/8 inch dot. We're just going to be covering that up. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is attach some stuff together. We'll start building our layers. So on the card base, put down the Harbor first, and then the White Daisy with the embossing, the dry embossing. And you want to do a lot of adhesive on there because it has all those lumps and bumps. So we want to make sure that it sticks in place. So I cover it generously. Wet glue works really well for this as well. The next thing I'm going to do is this little ring. If you have a dot runner, that would probably work okay on here. I am going to use the wet glue. This is just a bottle that I've had forever and ever. This is called Art Glitter Glue, and I order it from Amazon. I order refills. Wet glue will catch on the raised portions nicely. but I think a dot runner would also work. The next thing you want to take is your sprigs. Sprigs may look different than what I have here. I just grabbed 2 big sprigs. They can hang over. If you want them to hang all the way off the card, you can. You'll just need to do a little trimming. I'm going to hang them over slightly, but not off the edge of the card. And these sprigs are two-toned, so you can choose which color you like. I'm going for the darker one this time. And I'm going to lay this one across so it looks like that. Then we have our Harbor glitter paper. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I just think it's so pretty. And I again used glue. You could use glue dots, you could pop it up, you know, whatever you like. And then I'm going to glue down the white daisy. And then I have that little circle, and I'm going to try this without putting any padding under it. We'll see how I do. Yours will come already stamped. Hopefully my head isn't getting in the way. And I'm just letting that sit for a little bit so that ink can transfer to the paper, and I am quite happy with that. That will work for me. And I'm throwing some glue on the back and then placing it on here. And that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. The October 2023 VIP Club card kit. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't had a chance to like or subscribe, I would certainly appreciate that. It helps out my little fledgling YouTube channel here. I hope you're having a blessed crafty day, and I will see you next time.